Hello! Today we will be going over how to use Job and Career Accelerator by LearningExpress. We will start here on the Alhambra Library homepage. Go to Collections and Databases. From here, you can narrow your search by selecting Jobs and Careers. Now scroll until you see the Job and Career Accelerator by LearningExpress. We will select Build Resumes and Job Letters. You want to click Sign In or Register to begin. If you have never used LearningExpress, click Register New User. It will ask you your institution, and then you fill out the required fields: first name, email, and create a password. Then click Register. If you have used it before, click Login. Once you have logged in, you can click on Launch Career tool. You have two options. You can create a new resume or upload an existing. We will start by creating a new resume. You will name your resume, provide a description if you like, select a job category, and select your experience. You then have 4 options to select from. If none of these apply, leave none of these options to describe my work situation and select Start Building My Resume. Here, you can begin to add different sections to your resume. I will start by adding a headline. And select Save. You can continue to add all at once or save your progress for a later time. If you like to preview your resume, select Preview. Here, it shows what I have done. If you would like to customize your resume, click on the gear, and it gives you different layout options. There are 4 options to choose from to best fit whatever look you're going for. Once you've selected, you can click Save Resumes. You can download your resume, print your resume, or email it. Clicking Saved Resumes will take me to my career dashboard. If you would like to edit, you can click on the pencil and edit the resume you've been working on. If you would like to create a new resume, click Add a Resume. This time, I'm going to upload an existing resume. Browse for a file on your computer or flash drive. Name your resume, and enter a description if you would like. When you're ready, select Upload and edit my resume. Here we see what I've created. You can preview this resume, but because it was uploaded, we cannot customize the way we did when we were building a new resume. If you go back to Edit, you can add any field or delete lines. Now I will click Saved Resumes. Continue. And here we have 2 resumes. And I can edit both. If you go to your name and click My Center, you will see everything that you've worked on in the entire LearningExpress library. Scroll down to the Career dashboard where you'll find your resumes and anything else you have worked on. Thank you for listening today, and keep an eye out on the library YouTube page for more database help coming soon.